So when you think about money, does it spark joy? Or does it bring up feelings of anxiety, fear, stress, doubt, anger? And most of us would say we want more money, but that's at a conscious level, because unconsciously we're thinking, hey, if money is the source of all these uncomfortable feelings, why on earth would I want more of that? And we subtly stop ourselves from seeing opportunities to increase our financial abundance. But what if you could turn that around? What if you could allow yourself to actually feel money joy? If you could think about it with a sense of gratitude and happiness, you'd be much more inclined to bring more into your life. So that's what I want to help you cultivate over 4 weeks in a program called Tap into Money Joy. Over these weeks, I'll be working with folks live to clear out those reasons why we couldn't or shouldn't feel good about money. The old stories, the news about the economy, all these things that tell us that money should be a source of pain. Allow ourselves to separate the reality from the stories and allow ourselves to see that money in and of itself is a resource. It's a means of abundance from the universe. And all this other stuff, those are circumstances. And we might not love those, but we can still feel money joy. So this will start July 11th, and I hope you'll join me to cultivate money joy, money gratitude, money happiness, and allow yourself to be much more open to the abundance that's all around. Thanks.